Oh, didn't see you there. I was just digging in the toolbox of my 650 horsepower truck. That can be yours. We're giving it away. lsnasty.com. 10 times entries. Go check it out.
All right, John.
Hey,
just really?
Are you doing
the disrespect?
Photo shoot for guests?
Yeah, he's doing. It's his birthday. We're letting him do the intro.
Oh, really?
It's not wedding. They're making me do the intro.
Go ahead. Come on with it.
Go with it. You got it.
How do you want me to start? You want me to tell them what we're doing?
Dude, it's your video. It's your day.
It's
You're the birthday boy.
It's
You're
my
the birthday
video.
boy. Look at the camera. Tell the people.
All right, it's my birthday, and for my birthday, we get to do my favorite thing: redneck stuff. We're going to pick up a big truck, another one. It's even worse than the original one that we got, so it could be interesting. We got the skid loaded up. We got the deck overall done. Have they seen the chicken lights?
I think they saw that in today's video.
We may have to tow it out of there with our badass 600 horsepower Chevy Colorado that you can win at lsnasty.com. What else do we have going on? Black Sheep's loaded up.
Black Sheep's loaded up.
We've been working all day, all right? It's 11 o'clock, and we've been putting in work.
We have been. I'm proud of Mason. Even on his birthday, he's here getting work done. Chilling about our giveaway.
I did, actually.
I mean, this dude's checking all the boxes today. And how old are you?
24.
Hopefully he gets some damn sense knocked into him this year, because the past 23, he damn.
It's been rough. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, so I guess we're gonna go. We're gonna get some lunch. We're gonna head over to Little Joe's. Oh, we got CP,
Get his
CP
hairline.
on
Get
camera.
his hairline on the camera. Zoom in. Hurry up.
Why do you do CP like that? Why do you do CP like that? All right, we can go get some lunch. We'll pick up with you guys when we get over to Little Joe's house. We'll take a look at this truck. We're hopefully getting this truck for some parts. We're gonna sell some stuff off of it, and then we're gonna take the short block that's in it, rebuild it. Hopefully the block's good, and then we'll be able to have a cat motor, because
If it ain't a cat, it's a dog.
this guy.
We made it.
We did make it.
Why didn't John just buy one of these nice ones? Look at this one. Yeah, look at ugly motherfucker. He would have still done the same thing. Took it. I mean, he would have had to do so much work.
No, still would have.
Huh?
Still would have.
No, that one's nice.
No, it's not. It's a terrible body, so you don't even want. No. That's.
I'm just saying from what he bought. That's decent. This motherfucker ain't in the woods.
I want this. I might leave it this way.
What?
I think you should. That thing's a unit.
Thing is badass.
Dude, the bumper on it, badass. Bed, badass.
Bumper's gotta go.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Stock bumper.
This ain't gonna be hard to move, guys. I mean, it's not. I thought y'all meant like some fucking recovery shit out the woods done took it over. What's the chain for, Mason? You see it? Right
Yeah,
here?
I couldn't tell you though. It's wrapped around the front, it looks like. Maybe that's how he was pulling it.
Oh, it's got chains everywhere.
Yeah. What you think, Mr. Mason?
And he's taking this for what? What is he taking off of it?
We need some of the cross members out of it.
This, these?
We need the back panel off the cab.
Yeah, I think it has, since it has a cab or the sleeper, it has some of the stuff like the mounts and whatnot that we need for ours.
So for what he paid for it, he got it for very, very cheap. So
I think he was saying that those cross members are like $500 a piece.
correct.
So
Let me see.
pretty good deal.
What is he gonna do with the rest of the stuff? Now we have two.
We're
Yeah,
gonna
you're-
sell it off or scrap it.
You'll have one if you want one.
No.
We're potentially using the engine out of it. Does it have a transmission in it? Doesn't appear so.
Peterbilt.
Our dash is all broken, so I think I can take disassemble this one and use the shell for ours.
Solid.
You got
Oh.
There you go. Motherfucker ain't no wood.
I mean, it's not on the highway. Streamlight wedge. Dude, Mason is just, you'd think he's back in Indiana right now.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, he put a tire on it.
Oh, it
for
does
us.
have a head on it.
Oh,
yeah.
it does have a head. Oh, he took the injection pump out of it, out of one of them, and he said that's what I needed, so he gave me one.
The injector out of it, you mean?
Well, the injection pump. I guess each injector has. This is all mechanical. This is the old 3406, baby. We're talking about get your white socks and carburetor. What? This is essentially a carburetor. Get your white socks and New Balances out. It's got a manifold right here.
Yeah, this thing's more complete than we thought. We'll be all right. We ought to be just fine.
Damn, for a second I was like, you should have just bought
So
that.
the cab. Look.
I thought that was the back of one, but it's not.
For cab wise, so this is a 378 is what this is, right?
Thought it was a 388.
388, 378.
Something, I don't know.
It's not a 379, I can tell you that. Oh yeah, so it might be a 38. Yeah, I think the 380, 387, 387 maybe. I don't know.
377?
377? That's it.
I don't know.
Supposedly the cabs between this and the 379 are the same.
Ooh, okay.
They say it's the same. So,
Can I go ask him if he'll sell me this?
isn't it a gas motor in it?
No, that's
No, it's a
diesel,
power stroke.
baby.
It's a 7.3.
7.3.
Manual?
Damn.
That's manual.
Damn.
You know that thing will power wash up clean too.
Yeah, well.
They get this like little crud on them here, but that's a little.
I'd rather use a truck.
Hey, it's Mason's birthday. It's Mason's day.
But
Are we good with buying
He's got
another
the
truck
better
though?
ideas.
Yeah.
Y'all like this? Damn, this has a thicker frame too. This has got the 3/8 frame, not the 1/4-inch frame. You think the rebuild kit for this is gonna be cheaper or more expensive
More
than
expensive,
the Detroit? Oh,
but
God.
Your
Oh,
money
God.
ahead. So I was looking, we can get a
Oh, it's
complete,
gonna suck. He's gonna say like 14,000.
yeah,
Oh God.
about 13,000. That's with
I found one on
that-
Amazon for $3 grand.
That's with injectors, new cylinder head.
Wait, so what are you doing? You're using this motor?
Yeah,
What?
because it's a cat.
And why is
the
that?
cat is a dog.
He can't even just say it normally. He's got to say it with this weird like Indiana
Yeah,
slang to
you
it.
have to. Like that's
No.
Yeah.
What happened to the whole... What? When did you figure out...
When we found out the Detroit we have is the biggest piece
No,
of
it's not the
shit.
big piece of shit.
He
It's
was
not-
just telling Chris the other day people are dying to have them.
They are like normal people that are going to use
Yeah,
their truck.
people are also dying to get into funeral homes, so I don't know if that really means anything.
People want them to like just do normal trucking. We're looking to hot rod our shit.
And that's what you want right there. You're
That's
buying
it.
one that's been open for
Yeah.
fucking...
We're
I mean, not
rebuilding
really
it.
open. It's got the valve cover off of it.
And we're rebuilding it. No matter
Brand
what.
new.
yeah.
should just...
Dude, there's no cheap way about this. Oh, you should have just bought a truck for 175,000.
No, you should've bought this one.
Wow, this thing
This
is
thing's a piece of
this thing
shit.
is a piece of shit.
So is the other one.
No, the other one
one's-
has everything that we need.
Yeah.
The bones that we need. This does not have the bones that we need.
Yeah. I mean, I guess we could have bought this one.
Yeah, you're literally doing this. You're just using the other one, but you're literally taking everything off of this one.
So the reason why we didn't get this one because it's not a 379. The other one's a 379. But see, this has got a setback axle on it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah, you can't run that.
You
with
gotta
a
run a big
379.
fiberglass, ugly ass nose with this.
Yeah. It all comes out in the wash, Ant. It all comes out in the wash. And the sleeper on this is frame mounted. Like, look at this garbage. Look at this. It's like a bathtub.
Yeah, but you were gonna take that off anyway. You want to try pulling it with the skid first?
Yeah. I mean, we brought the skid. Or why don't we try pulling it with the Dodge?
The Dodge is unhooked and ready to go.
Yeah. So let's just pull it with the Dodge. Maybe we want to take the skid off the trailer.
You know what we didn't do? We didn't get those chains out of the other Colorado.
Had to lock the old hubs in. Had them free spins.
Where'd you get them out of the
But I don't think that's a steer tire.
That's a bad day when they do that going down the highway.
Oh, man, I can only imagine.
Yeah,
Good God. Bring you to a screeching halt.
I had a truck get into a wreck up in Ohio. A car T-boned him right here.
Oh my gosh.
And he went about 40 miles down the road and them hangers broke.
That bag just screaming.
Did we tell him?
Drug the axle out from underneath it with the skid loader. And
Did John tell you the little time we had trying to get the tires off because we didn't know what we were doing?
We didn't know they were studs.
We didn't know that there were studs in the back, so we took that outer one off, and then our boy CJ, for about 30 minutes, was just beating the back tire trying to get it off. And we didn't know these came out.
That's funny. That is funny.
Halfway through the day. We are on the line of fire.
Go figure that.
Oh man.
Imagine one time, John.
He should back up and go more this way. Straight.
Do it again.
Do it again.
one more time. I would go a little further. Yeah, keep going.
Getting up this hill?
Yeah.
Getting strong like bull.
Unfazed. Damn, Ant, you hit the truck.
Go forward to the left, you should be alright.
She might need a little help when she gets on that ramp.
I don't know if this winch got it in it.
We should have brought the military winch. Dave, go back there and start pushing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's going to work.
About to start smoking.
That's all she wrote, baby.
Come on. Come on. That Harbor Freight. Is anything smoking yet?
No, I'm waiting for it.
How's he looking on your side?
No, he can't turn
All right,
this
come
one.
this way. That thing's screaming.
Hey, it's getting it up there though. Slow.
You got room on your side?
Hold on. Yeah. AC in here, baby.
Oh. He said, I got some AC in here, baby.
Pick up. It's got so much load on the other tire on it.
Well, it's got pressure on it from the nipples.
You want me to set it back some? Just like that, baby.
I think you're good, Ant.
Great. Hey, Mason, they're sawing on that thing. Back this way. Oh, he's eight.
Hey, we're gonna need to remember that brake thing when it's coming off the trailer.
Yeah, Mason was in there. He like jerked off an arm.
That thing's tough to see. It's not bad if we're moving, but we're moving so slow.
How's Ant just get to sit in the AC the whole time? I ain't never seen someone stick a tape measure out that far.
want to some talent.
Oh, 14. Oh, God.
man. We're a little tall for it.
What is that? 13? 13.6?
Yeah.
The sleeper is probably good.
You're at your height.
We're legal now, baby. Big damn hot shot. We're the hot shit, not the hot shot.
Ooh,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Yeah, but what's making them?
I have no idea what that.
Yo, there's a lot of wire in here. Bunch of
You
old.
cut them right off there, them damn alligator clips.
Oh,
Some
yeah.
bitches right there, junk.
Then you ain't gotta take the shit.
Yep.
Man, what kind of wiring you do, man?
Hey, that ain't me.
I don't know. It looks like you, Ant. Man, that looks like you. You said you just wired this whole trailer up.
Hey, I
That's
wired
got-
the fucking. I wired the chicken lights. I wired the chicken lights. You paid an old man to do all that.
I did pay no. That's yeah. Yeah. He
Yeah.
just. There's just random wires in here that are hot for
if
no
you
reason.
stick your hand in there, there's fucking a bunch of wire in there.
Yeah.
This is new wire though.
Dude.
Oh, watch my trailer! Put the damn camera down. Hey! The tire's fucking up and down.
He's gonna have to take his.
I didn't pull it up again. Keep going! Driver! Real driver right there. Better man.
Don't help that.